Ahoy, matey. Listen here, Jack. We got you by the balls. So you've got two options here, son. You've got two options. Two options. Two options. Neither of which will kill me. Option number one. You claim your treasure, and you give it to us, and you survive. Option number two. We sink you, and nobody gets any treasure. Absolutely not. Fuck, shit, that was a good shot. So those are your options, son. I think you're going with option number two. Give up the booty.
Sink him?
No, not yet. Go get your loot. Go get your loot. What do you mean you don't know how to? I find that hard to believe. Because, I mean, look at your pants and shit. Did you pay for that? No, that's fucking Athena's fortune. You've done this shit before. Guardian of Athena's fortune. Don't try and pretend like you haven't done a shrine before. Everybody's done a shrine, especially on their way to being a pirate legend. Good? Okay, alright, send him to the deep. What situation, Weave? Why ain't we sending him to the deep?
He's gonna sink.
Oh, is he?
He's got no wood and 4 holes in him.
I forgot about that. What if he's got wood on him, though?
He ain't gonna get far. He's got no cannonballs. He's got 10 cannonballs max on him. He's got 4 wood max on him. But look at this rowboat we got.
Dude, I saw that. That is... I am super excited to try this thing out.
I'm really nervous to have him back to ship.
Oh my god, I didn't even think about that.
Look, he's sinking. He's sunk.
Oh, he's got one of those rowboats.
Alright. Keep your distance from it.
Alright, first off, just shoot the boat itself. Alright. Now shoot that bear.
Watch, let's shoot it again.
Holy crap! I think we have a small nuclear warhead strapped to the back of our ship.
This is gonna be great. I mean, if we sail we gotta sail southwest.
Alright.
That'll take us past Daggertooth down into the main shipping lanes.
Alright. There it is.
Player Galleon.
Flying an emissary flag. Stage here. We'll stage here. Get our bearings together. Maybe grab some more powder kegs if we have to.
Sean.
Yo.
There's another rowboat here.
Are you serious? Oh my god. Did they replace them all with these things? How are we gonna get it out? What's your plan here? Jesus! Rest in peace, Eddie.
If we can't have it, nobody can.
Oh my god. There's another rowboat
What?
here. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, come on, Eddie. Fly, boy! Jesus. Oh, no.
Damn it, Sean.
Oh, no.
We gotta do fire fast, man.
Oh, shit.
We can't let this spread.
Oh, shit.
You fucking inbred. Good thing we stole all that wood from somebody else. Here we go.
I don't think we're gonna miss the jelly. Shit. Oh. Enemy sighted, right? Anchored. Out of an island.
Run from this outpost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know it's a good distance, but we're at an outpost. They'll never suspect anything. They're just getting there. I think we can hit them now. Hit them hard.
I agree. I'm coming down. Alright, Sean, I'm going back to the ship. I'm going to come right there.
Do it, do it, do it. There he is.
Leads me back to the ship in time.
There he is. Uh-oh. I don't think he's happy with me. I don't think he's happy with me at all. Oh shit, yeah, this is Sailor's Bound. This is the one with all the tunnels and shit below ground. Y'all know how many of them there are. I only ever saw one of
I'm assuming you're doing like a mission. And you don't even know what happened. I'm sure they do now, but
one of them saw it.
Oh, I'm going to go ashore.
Alright, I'm rolling back.
Damn it.
Oh, what the hell happened?
Booby traps.
Oh.
But they've all been activated, so they're down in there deep.
Oh, shit.
Hey, what's going on? Oh, yeah. You ain't dying, you ain't trying. Ah, in a shrine. Mm-hmm. You too. What shrine you at?
You sneaky fucker. You sneaky fucker.
What can I say? I'm a pirate.
I know. Oh yeah, you wonderful weather we're having. Anyway, where are you so I can come fucking rob you? But put so eloquently.
So you want to start looking at shrines?
Just go shrine to shrine. It's so fucked up.
Let's sail southeast then.
Southeast it is, alright.
He ran through the door and I was like, oh, what shrine you at? And he's like, He said something and I lost him.
Imagine his friend
He
was...
seems stupid enough to tell me.
I was gonna say, imagine his friends like on the other side of the mic, like, don't fucking tell him. Ryan, I have a
What?
sloop. Just off the port bow.
I see that.
Ryan, you ain't gonna believe this, but you just fucking found it. At the Shrine of Ocean's Forge. Alright, you let me know when. Oh, he's on board. He's on board. He just jumped off.
He just jumped off.
Loot in the water! Loot in the water! Alright, I'm dropping anchor. Alright. Alright. Ahoy, gentlemen. Let's take this nice and easy now. Alright, I guess we're just gonna fucking kill him. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're both dead. This is fucked. Boarding party is going over. Fuck. Oh dear God, Ryan.
What?
We could not have timed this more perfectly. I mean, that'll teach him. That'll fucking teach him. Stand by on the harpoon gun. I mean, they had every... Oh, shit. Ow, shit. I was fucking hitting the charge up button. That's fucking bullshit.
Oh, I'm dead too. How the fuck?
Shit. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
He's gonna sink us.
There's only a small nuclear warhead attached to the back of our ship. It'll be alright. That's fucking horseshit. I'm not happy about it. Easy, 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 easy. Get the fuck away from me, you fucking banana people. Alright, there we go. Alright, he's dead.
Sweet.
Do you ever wonder, Ryan, have we ever been the reason someone uninstalls the game? That was the most pirate shit you've ever done.
Where you guys at? No, I'm in the shop. I love stealing people's loot.
I can tell. You ready to do this?
Aye, aye. Turn around, go move.
Good God.